Adaptation. An adaptation is a change made to survive or do well in a new situation. Example sentences. The long neck of a giraffe is an adaptation to reach tall trees. The long neck of a giraffe is an adaptation to reach tall trees. The movie was an adaptation of a popular book. The movie was an adaptation of a popular book. Wearing warm clothes is an adaptation for cold weather. Wearing warm clothes is an adaptation for cold weather. Technology often involves adaptations to make life easier. Technology often involves adaptations to make life easier. Adaptation helps both people and animals overcome challenges. Adaptation helps both people and animals overcome challenges.